everyone, let's dive into this week's ride sharing and delivery scoop. This week has been nothing short of fascinating and I can't wait to share the deets with you. So grab a coffee and let's dive into it. Imagine getting a parcel delivered anywhere in the world in just an hour. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, Alibaba is on it, testing a rocket parcel delivery service that could change how we think about shipping. Imagine ordering something from across the globe and getting it faster than a pizza delivery? Crazy, but it's happening. Now, switching on to something a bit more serious. In Toronto, a dog named Kiwi had a scary run-in with a food delivery bike. It's all fun and games until someone gets really hurt. So let's watch out for each other. Waymo and Uber Eats are partnering to bring driverless food delivery to US residents in the Phoenix area. This collaboration marks a significant step forward in the integration of autonomous vehicles into everyday services, offering a glimpse into the future of delivery. And there you have it, folks, a quick tour through the highs and lows of delivery and ride sharing. Whether it's groundbreaking tech or important reminders about street safety, there's always something going on. Don't forget to tune in for more exciting stories and surprises along the way. Catch you next time.